Biology EC channel உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. First of all, thanks for subscribe my channel. So நீங்க PGTRPக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பீங்க. சில இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் क्वेश्चंस நாங்க டாக்ஸானமில இருந்து and மார்பாலஜி அண்ட் டாக்ஸானமில சில இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் क्वेश्चंस தரோம். சோ இத ஸ்கிப் பண்ணா பாருங்க, ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? சோ வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போகலாம். Edible roots are found in dash. Answer is here D. Sweet potato. Select the mismatched pair. Answers here C. Fasciculated root curcuma. Okay. Next questions. Which of the following plants bears moniliform roots? The eighth answer is here A. Momardica. Okay. Unbranched, erect, cylindrical, stout axis with distinct node and internodes கணுவிடை பகுதி and with joint appearance is called as dash. The 12th answer is here C. Come. The next questions. Which of the following plants possess come? 13th answer is here C. Bamboo. 13th answer is here C. Which of the following is not an example of calm? 17th answer is here D. Gingiber. Gingibers abyssinalis அப்படின்னா இஞ்சி. ஓகேங்களா? The next questions. The eyes of the potato tubes represent dash. Answer is here A. Nodes. Okay. Next questions. In Bougainvillea, weak stems rise up a support by clinging to it with the help of curved thorn. Thorns na mullu. Such a plant are called as dash. The 19th answer is here D. Scramblers. Okay. Next questions. In Opuntia, the functions of photosynthesis is carried out by dash. Answer is here C. Pillow cladded. Very important questions. Next questions. Dash are the green stems of limited growth which have taken over the functions of photosynthesis from leaves. The 21 answer is here B. Cladodes. Dash are one internode long runners usually found in rosette plants at the ground or water level. Answer is here B. Opposite. 26. Select the mismatched pair out of the following. The 26th answer is here C. Sucker curcuma domestica. Which of the following represent the functions of veins in the leaves? The 28th answer is here D. All of this. 29. Reticulate venations is a characteristics of dicot and exceptions to his generalizations is dash. The 29 answer is here A. Calopillum. 30th questions. Parallel venation is a characteristics of monocots. Which of the following is an exceptions to his generalizations? 30 answer is here D. All of these. 31. Which of the following kinds of venations is present in banana? Very important questions. Answer is here C. Parallel unicostate. A simple leaf can be differentiated from the pinnae of compound leaf on the basis of presence or absence of dash. 33 answer is C. Axillary bud. Finely dissected leaf may be an adapt. Okay, in spiral phyllotaxy, the number of leaves at each node is dash. 36 answer is here A 1. 37 in dash phyllotaxy, a pair of leaves arise at each nodes and lie opposite to each other as in dash plants. 37 answer is here C. Opposite phyllotaxy, calotropis in plants. Okay, 37 answer is here C. 38. Identify the group of plants possessing leaf materials. 38 answer is here A. P. Glory lily. Okay. Leaflet tendrils are present in dash. 40 very important questions. Answer is here D. Gloriosa. 41. Spines present on the areoles of Opuntia represent. Answer is here B. Leaves. Which of the following represent the edible swollen portions of Allium ceiba? The 43 answer is here D. Leaf bases. Next questions. Which of the following plants part in garlic and onions are edible? Answer is here B. Fleshy scale leaves. The next questions. Which of the following is an incorrect pair? Answer is here C. Pillowed asparagus. Okay, the next questions. Parkinsonia is a good example of dash. Answer is here C. Pillowed. The next questions. Select the incorrect match with respect to the plant and the relative plants part modified for the food storage. 47 answer is here D. Dahlia leaves. Okay. Which of the part is modified into picture in picture plant? Answer is here C. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. நீங்கள் மேலும் எங்களோட வீடியோ வேணும்னா நீங்கள் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி ஆளுங்கிற பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. நாங்கள் அப்லோட் பண்ணுற பிஜி மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக ரீச் ஆகும். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.